Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today is what's new at J&S Hobbies and Crafts. And I have two new paper pads that is new to the store, so I thought we would flip through it together. The first one is Stamperia Winter Tales, and I have to tell you, I've already flipped through this. I am totally in love with the reindeer and the sleigh. It is absolutely beautiful. So we'll flip through this one, and we have the Ciao Bella, my first year, and this is just absolutely adorable. So let's start with the Winter Tales. And I'm going to bring this up so you can kind of take a look. The colors are absolutely beautiful. So we'll first open this up. On the inside cover sheet, we have a lot of different sentiments, sayings, and it's just beautiful. The colors are perfect. Over here, we have this print. Very pretty. And then we have a background sheet. And here is one of my all-time favorites, that reindeer with the little sleigh. Check that out. It's just beautiful. I like how they collaged a lot of different textures and everything on this paper. I'll be making a large album with this paper for sure. And then we have the background sheet. It's beautiful. And then we have this, and this is like a fairy tale winter theme, and it's perfect. I love it. And then we have this gorgeous background sheet. I do like it when they do the background sheets like this and then they crop a trim or something down below. I like how they do that. And then here's our panel sheet. And I'm going to bring this up and I'll show you some of these. So many ideas pop in my head for this paper pad for sure. And then on the back, in case you didn't like or want to display this side, you could always do this side. And these are a good size for little picture mats. And this is just beautiful. Some of my favorite colors are the blues and the tans and the creams. I love working with this palette. This is one of my favorite background sheets. And then we have this. And then another gorgeous background sheet. And check this out. This is just beautiful. Look at the scenery. I'm never disappointed with Stamperia, that's for sure. They've got some truly creative artists. And then another background. And then we have this piece right here, this sheet. I don't know about you, but so many different things are popping in my head on what to do with some of this. This would be an easy paper pack to work with, at least for me. Another background sheet. Background sheet. And then we come to the, I guess you call these a panel or cut aparts, one of the tag sheets. Very pretty. And there's my favorite little reindeer. And then on the back. And then the last sheet is this, where you do have your cut aparts. And this is the 12 by 12 one. And when I make a large album, I'll be needing two of these for sure. And I'm going to have a good time with this one. Alright, next one. Ciao Bella, my first year. Oh, and on this one you get per 12 by 12, you get 10 double-sided sheets, plus you get the added back here and back here. Now on the Ciao Bella, you get one each of 12 double-sided, so there's about 12 sheets. And look at that, even the cover is usable for sure. And on the back, isn't that sweet? Look at that. I like these baby prints that have the animals. Is just adorable. A little panda and the scale. That is so cute. This one is a neutral one because it has all the animals and some neutral colors in there. That is so cute. And we have a panel tag sheet. And on the back, oh, look at here. That giraffe is so stinking cute. And this one, they have little things like my height and different tags that you could use. Oh, that's a nice background. I like that. Again, it has trim at the bottom, it has a background look. Like it. And then we have a tag sheet. Has all these wonderful little things. And we have the back right here. And we have this cut apart. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking adorable. Check it out. Cute. That's pretty. And here is another one, background sheet. So cute. I'm going to bring this up. You can see a little better at the background. We have a whole bunch of different things in there. And then a solid, well, not quite a solid, but it says baby on it. And there are those chicks. Those are so cute. And the balloons. Oh, I like that background. That's pretty. And this one says Precious Memories. Little tigers. And then the background. This is cute. I like this with the tree because you could, if you were doing 12 by 12 layouts, you could actually use this kind of like a family tree with some of those tags. That's just what pops into mind for me. I don't do the 12 by 12 layouts. I do the other, but if I was doing a mini album, I'd make sure to get some of this in there. Maybe stick a little photograph or something down in here, up here to showcase. There's the family tree. That's cute. So that is the Ciao Bella, my first year. That is so adorable. I could see me doing a folio with something like this for sure, or a small little album. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the flip through of these two. I will be doing, my next two tutorials will be on large albums. I will be doing a large album with the Winter Tales. And I am working also to complete on this. This is the Romantic Collection Christmas. I'll be doing a large album with that. Right now I know we're out of stock and we will be getting more, so I'm not sure which video will release first, this one or this one. But in any case, I'm probably going to be using the same design for both, so to take care of a design that will look good with both papers, that's what I think I'm going to do. So happy crafting, and I will see you real soon on my next tutorial.